Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss regarding one of the Google business profile restoration case study where we were able to restore one of the client Google business profile which was originally suspended, was not approved by the Google, and we worked around and restored it. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza and I'm owner of a Google partner company. And we help clients with Google Ads suspensions, Google Ads disapprovals, Google Merchant Center suspensions, disapprovals, and Google Business Profile suspension. Plus, we work with the management and SEO optimization. So, in case if you need Google Ads management, Google Merchant Center, Google Business Profile management, we should be your one full-fledged company. Apart from this, we also offer web designing and Shopify development as well. So, if you want to see the details of our services, you can simply click on the link in the description and know more about our businesses before you start with us. So, before we start, now I did a complete introduction. We can start on this. So this is the client website, and I'm going to show you the field suspensions and then how we were able to get this business profile approved. So let's get started on this. Three errors were over there. The first error was your business profile has been disabled. Your business is not eligible for a business profile. Your business is not eligible for a business profile. Learn more about our restriction policy. This was the suspension we got. The second was your verification failed. Submit a new video. Your verification video didn't meet all of the requirements for the Google business profile, and submit the new video. What needed to include it, provided a surrounding and other things as well. And you will see around over here that your business is not visible to other as well. So it's a lawyer's industry. Las Vegas is a target location in USA. This is the client details. So once we started around, there were a few things which we did. We had to do a lot of compliances. There was a lot of work done by my team. You can see around few of the emails being sent by my team, other emails, and then Google support, because their local service account ads account was suspended as well, so we had to restore. So this is another compliance report. You may see around over here. Everything was looked around, including tax identification, business ownership, business office location, Google business profile details, profile suspension, verification issues, interview, website compliance improvements, some suggestions. The major implements, audits were implemented, policy compliance was done. Then video was made. I'm going to show you. And then I'm going to come back with you with the approved location and the client review as well. So I'm going to show you few of the audits. So these are few of the audits where we did was some changes on the home page, some wordings, some CTAs. The CTA's call to actions also increase your sales as well, just to keep you in mind. Some fact page, other things. So you can see around for the Google business profile, a good website was also necessary, along with the wording, text, context, everything over here. See, another day, another audit, even the favicon, header, top, other pages, all pages, compliance page, fact page, privacy, testimonial, service area, cookie policy, disclaimer, everything was done for the compliance. You may see around over here. About us page, even the about us page was remapped. You can see around the website speed was slow. We also looked around for this. There were some security issues as well on the website. Knowingly or unknowingly, this could be a plugin, theme issue, error issue, or any other issue, or outdated plugin, or sometimes it's a font issue as well. Then we, some business verification submissions was being done. Another over here, and other, submission of the business, some card statement. I'm sorry I cannot show you all of these things, but just to tell you, product description, all of the things, compliance documents are over there. Some another day, another audit for the account. You may see around another compliance audit was done over here. Some small changes. Now a lot of work was done with the team, and you can see around business verification page, some documentation, another compliance issues report, some small errors as well, and other over here. This is now for Google Ads transparency report. So this was also necessary, although it's a project for the Google business profile. You can see around over here the documentations, the pictures. We also made a complete video just in case if you are being worried for that, don't worry. You can see around, this is another case over here for Google Map. You can see around this was working. And other website action fixes, some small big changes, plus all need to reflect on the Google business profile page. All should have the same content, same data. And one thing more is missing. Let me show you just a second. No, this is that's it. And then we finally got some mail, so I'm going to show you. First of all, I'm going to show you this is a page finally which we were able to get it up. This is an email, which we got. Hello, thank you for contacting the Google business profile about your business information being removed from Google. From the information you provided, I'm happy to confirm that we were able to restore the business profile for you. No further action is required on your part to verify this time. After the profile is live again, it may take a few days for it to start appearing on Google to check whether your profile is showing. Type your business name and address into Google search. So yeah, it's a more of happy moment for us that the Google business profile was finally restored. Another over here, you can see that the page is finally restored with the verified status as well. Another I'm going to show you over here that what we did was we looked around for this one, and then you may see around we found the page, and then you can click and it will land it over here. So yeah, after this, now moving back to over this, I'm going to show you the business over here. So the business is now finally over here. Now I'm going to refresh in front of you, so you guys can see this is the business. And this is the business, and you can simply click over here. You can see you manage this business profile. So yeah, we do manage your business profile over here, and I can manage it over here. So you can see this is a profile I manage, and this is a website of the client. And another interesting feature I wanted to tell about our services as our reviews, and the client happily gave a review as well. So look around. The name of the owner is Jennifer. Yeah, I hope you got it. Her name is Jennifer. Yeah, so we were indirectly in touch with her, and she was very patient and supportive during all the process to get it removed and up. So you can see the review, and I waited a few days before creating this video. You see, I have dealt with Ali and his team on 2 separate occasions to unsuspend a Google My Business profile. GMB is this Google Business profile. It's My Business to Google Business profile. So to unsuspend a GMB account and to unsuspend a LSC local service ads account. These people are the most professional and responsive individuals I have ever dealt with. Initially, I was unsure about hiring them, but I went with my gut feeling, and they worked non-stop on my cases. Thank you, Ali, Zargam, Arfa, Hassan, and others for working relentlessly on the issue with my Google My Business and Google Ads. So yeah, very happy that we were able to successfully restore the Google Business profile. So if your Google Business profile is suspended for any reason, even deceptive material or content or any other issue, or if someone has reported and which is why it's suspended, or if you need help with other Google products including Google Ads management, Google Ads suspension, Google Merchant Center suspension, Google Merchant Center management, Google Business Profile suspension, Google Business Profile management. Also, we help clients with WordPress, Shopify, and all others. So yeah, we are a full-fledged company, and we offer a bundle of products. We are also being known as Google partners, and you can verify our authenticity by clicking on the link in the description. Our company name is aarswebs.com, and we help clients with all of these features. So yeah, have a visit on our services, and we look forward to working with you. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye bye.